Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Continents. Let's learn English.
Let's learn
more about
the contents.
We have 7 continents in total,
and we are going to discuss each of them.
Let us start.
Asia.
Asia is the world's largest continent in size and population. The major animals found in Asia are reticulated python, tiger, panda, yaks, and Indian rhinoceroses. The continent, Asia, contains the world's largest country, Russia, and 2 most populous countries, China and India.
Africa.
Of the 7 continents of the world, Africa is the second largest. The world's hottest place is in Africa, which is Ethiopia. The major animals in Africa include cheetah, African elephant, lion, zebra, Egyptian mongoose, giraffe, addax.
Australia.
Australia is the world's smallest continent and is also known as an island continent as it is surrounded by water on all sides. The unique animals of Australia are kangaroo, emu, and platypus. Two-thirds of Australia is desert land.
Antarctica.
Antarctica is not only the coldest place on Earth but also the highest, driest, windiest and emptiest. It is also called the White Continent or the Frozen Continent. Penguins are home in Antarctica and Adelie penguins are the most common kind found here.
Europe.
Europe is separated from Asia by the Ural Mountains and the Caspian Sea. The world's smallest country, the Vatican City, is in Europe. Three-fourths of the world's potatoes grow in Europe. The major animals of Europe are hedgehog, roe deer, wild boars, blue-tit, and the European tree frog. The longest rail route in the world is the Trans-Siberian Rail Route, located in Europe.
North America.
North America has 5 time zones and is the only continent with every type of climate. The world's largest economy, the USA, is a part of North America. The other major animals of North America are brown bears, hummingbirds, bald eagles, brown bears, bullfrogs.
South America.
Brazil, the country which is the largest coffee producer in the world, is in South America. The highest volcanoes of the world, Mount Cotopaxi and Mount Chimborazo, are found on this continent. The world's largest river as per water volume and the second longest, 6,440 kilometers. The Amazon, is in South America.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Choose the correct continent.
Number 1. 2/3 of this continent is desert land.
The answer is Australia.
Number 2. It contains the world's largest country, Russia, and 2 most populous countries.
The answer is Asia.
Number 3. The world's smallest country, the Vatican City, is in this continent.
The answer is Europe.
Number 4. It has 5 time zones and the only continent with every type of climate.
The answer is North America.
Number 5. Of the 7 continents of the world, this is the second largest.
The answer is Africa.
Number 6. This continent is the coldest place on Earth.
The answer is Antarctica.
Number 7. It has the country which is the largest coffee producer in the world.
The answer is South America.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
U.
Ready.
Spell the name of the continent.
Number 1. S-A-I-A.
The correct answer is A, S, I, A, Asia.
Number 2. E-P-R-O-U-E.
The correct answer is E, U, R, O, P, E, Europe.
Number 3. A-L-I-A-A-S-T-R-U.
The correct answer is A, U, S, T, R, A, L, I, A, Australia.
Number 4. A-N-A-A-R-C-T-I-T-C.
The correct answer is A, N, T, A, R, C, T, I, C, A, Antarctica.
Number 5. O-R-N-H-T-A-A-C-I-R-E-M.
The correct answer is N, O, R, T, H, A, M, E, R, I, C, A, North America.
Number 6. T-H-S-O-U-M-E-R-A-A-C-I.
The correct answer is S, O, U, T, H, A, M, E, R, I, C, A, South America.
Number 7. R-I-A-A-F-C.
The correct answer is A, F, R, I, C, A, Africa.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.